Kikubor kibabnya. Ka Northeastern Hill University Teachers Association lani Nehuta hene ke sengi ke laong ba Tnad Pule-Puthi ke Sorkar Pdeng ke Kyrmen Skhem ban Pynbeit ya ke Kynrum-Kynram bermentah hapo ke skul ba. Abakren shikila patai kubor hadin ke jingelang bat ki arngut ki officer ke Tnad Pule-Puthi ke Sorkar Pdeng u presiden ke Nehuta u profesor lakon kema u laong baki don katu kat ni ki lat ki lenti ki bala ban ya syakmat ban Pynbeit ya ke jinglong jingman bermentah han Nehu. Hendai ompat shim lapoi syakanu karai bakat do. Hendai kan Nehuta kala yang Skhem hakan nongrem bahkan omla ban Pdeng Satya ya u vice chancellor bermentah u profesor Prabha Shankar Shukla ban wan pai biang syaka skul ba bat omdei hiru ban bon ya kene kum kalat ka ba ula ban jin. Hakawai kaliang additional secretary ke Tnad Pule-Puthi ke Sorkar Pdeng u Sunil Kumar Banwal u laong ba ka jingelang ka lalong ka basaiso da ka benrap ba baro ki kam ki jam kin sayat bai ya renti.
They are willing to find a solution so that Nehu comes back to normalcy, and that is where I would I don't want to add anything more because things are only evolving because they are still here for next 5 hours. So probably before they leave, we should have a fair idea of what kind of solution we are looking at, keeping in mind that it is almost untenable for Professor Shukla, and we have made it very clear in no uncertain terms. We have made it very clear that his coming back here should not be an option at all.
I had a good meeting with the faculty, all the teaching deans, head of the department, and good experience. I hope everything will be normal and will work better.
U Menteri Rangba ke Jela u